Morning, everybody. It's 8:19 on Tuesday, the 29th of March, and this is your pre-opening comment. It's video number 1208. Asia and Europe both higher this morning. There is some speculation about in-person peace talks. Uh, uh, you know, Great. That's good news. Doesn't really mean anything. Peace talks can go on for years, as has happened in the past. And I think that there are actually more pressing items, although these peace talks have pushed the market higher. When I came down, it was, excuse me, was up about 100, 120 in the Dow, now up 217. The S&P is up 28, and NASDAQ a little bit weaker than those on a percentage basis, but still up about 118. Um, we have both JOLTS, housing index numbers, all of which come out after 9 o'clock, which is why I'm doing this now. We have as I said, we have the JOLTS, we have consumer confidence, and I'd really like to get a look at that. But as I said, um, too late to be included in this. Nielsen, I wrote about it a week and a half ago when it was in the neighborhood of 19 or 20 about the interest in a takeover. It is being bought by a private consortium for $28 a share and all debt. The stock is trading 26.98, up 481 or 22%. IGM Bio reported earnings. They're a beat. The stock closed yesterday 14.99, has traded as high as 22.66. Last is 20, up 501 or 33%. We'll have to see how this works out, only because they've on the pop, they also announced that they're going to sell 200 million in stock. So we'll have to see which of the headlines is going to be the major pull. Um, LHC also combining with UNH. Um, the number looks like about 170. Stock is 169. That's up 11.76 or 7.5%. And Dave and Buster's misses on earnings. Not really surprising considering COVID and what they actually do. Stock is 40.80. That's down 232 or 5.4%. The yield curve continues to dramatically flatten. The 2-year is up 10 basis points, while the 10-year is up 4 basis points at 252. So that is really getting to be a problem. Um, it will push us into a recession. Okay, so the peace talks are hurting the grains. Uh, and um, Oil is lower again. Was down $8 yesterday. This morning is pushing 100. Has traded at 100 spot 68. Is about 70 cents higher than that right now, but it is down 4.55 or up over 4%. Nat gas down, gasoline down, um, heating oil down. Gold on the peace talks dramatically lower. I told you I thought this could pull back to the 1900 area. We have a low this morning of 1904. But we are getting right back down into that area of pretty major support, both in the consolidation here in the price for the rise, also getting awfully close again to the 50-day and the 100-day moving averages. So we've rolled on the 5 and the 20, but we're looking like this is an area of support. As you can see on the weekly chart, it's a pretty major area of support. It represents the last major breakout that took us parabolic in the gold. So we'll have to see. Okay, let's go back to the list. We have Bitcoin and Ethereum basically unchanged after yesterday's nice move up. We have the dollar down 60 cents. That's a pretty hefty drop, and we have the bonds giving back some of the bounce from yesterday, although we did work higher overnight here off this low, which has not, I don't believe, broken the low from the last couple of days. Right on that line. This is a long-term uptrend line, goes back to 2007. All right, everyone. That's about it this morning. With all that news coming, it's unfortunate that it comes so close to the open. We can't get this out at the same time. But have a good day. Be careful out there. Can you really believe Putin and the Russians as far as meaningful peace talks? I kind of think not. Have a good